Good morning and welcome to 2024 in Beijing. New year, new goals, new opportunities, but also a little bit of enjoyment, of course. Actually today I'm gonna make some dumplings, meet up some people here, learn how to do that, see how that turns out. Dip a bit here. Definitely a nice tradition for Chinese New Year to do your own dumplings. Woo! Fantastic day making dumplings. First, I'm actually gonna have brunch. I don't typically have brunch. I normally cook actually on weekends my lunch and dinner, but you gotta enjoy life a little bit. So I'm gonna show you a bit here in the background, meet up with those. I just came from a gym session here before, feeling great. So let's get some food. It's very chilly and crisp weather here in Beijing, but great to get some steps in after the food. Actually, I was in Sweden 3.5 weeks, and then I went to Shanghai to celebrate New Year, which was fantastic, but a lot of good food. So I actually gained kind of a lot of weight, so now it's perfect time to start for the new goals. And actually, as every year, honking in the background, as every year, of course, there are new goals. So I want to get in the best shape of my life again. Of course, we're midsummer, but I'm also planning to book kind of a photo shoot maybe for April to force myself to really get in shape. So yeah, let's get it started. So I actually have a few cornerstones of my daily habits, so to speak. And on weekends I fast in the morning, so I didn't have a breakfast. It's like 11 now, and actually in 3 weeks or 1 month I'm going to Jakarta for like 5 weeks vacation. And normally when I travel I also skip breakfast, because then you can have a bit more space to eat nice foods later. So that's one part of how I do it. And typically on weekends I just eat healthy, but tonight I'm gonna cook some nice food, since I'm gonna have a bit of dumplings later and now brunch. So I'm probably gonna make some air fried chicken thigh with chicken wings maybe, and also get this very nice sweet potato roast that you can buy here on the street. Super tasty, gets some good protein and very good carbs as well. So in terms of exercise, I typically do a push-pull leg split. So basically splitting up the body in 3 parts. Push exercises one day, so that can be chest press, shoulder press, similar also triceps dips for an example. Then you have the pull day, biceps and back, so biceps curls for an example, back row, you can do many different exercises, pull-ups, and then you can throw in abs any day. Actually I did this kind of weighted leg raises here, and also some crab crunches. But then also one day you do separate leg day, because that's the most taxing for the body, the biggest muscle groups. So you can do like leg press, squats, or deadlift for example. And then I used to work out almost like every day, but now I try to take one rest day in between. So basically on Monday for example I do the push day, rest one day, I do maybe just walking or biking on Tuesday, Wednesday leg day for an example, and Friday maybe pull day for example. You can rotate a bit, so giving the body enough time to recover. So in terms of goals then, what are my goals? I like to set smart goals, so specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time bound, to make sure you don't set crazy goals. So specifically for my weight training, I want to get into be able to bench press my weight actually, so 70 kilos. Same with the squats, I'm quite weak on those right now, and also on the biceps curls. I got in 35 today, I want to go to 40. So getting stronger, basically using all that great energy from the brunch now to fuel my body. Then I have other kind of financial goals as well, but I'll keep that to another video. So what are your goals? Let me know. How are you thinking about the plan for 2024? I am really looking forward to it, so I'm gonna bring you guys along. But now I'm gonna finish up here, so if you want to see more of this kind of random stuff, talking, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So many ingredients, you're gonna show us how to do it.
So we have so many ingredients. The filling of the dumpling, of the jiaozi.
Jiaozi.
The Chinese call it xiao. You know xiao,
要吃 shark.
Filling, xiao.
Nice.
This is leek eggs shrimp mix. So we have to mix each fillings now. The first one. Leek, eggs, shrimp meat. So now there is leek inside, and the shrimp meat is
shrimp,
here.
egg free together. Okay.
Yeah, and eggs.
Okay.
All pour in, and then we put the seasoning.
What is it?
Woodier, right? More?
Yeah.
Or mushroom.
Yeah, it's a woodier mushroom. Yeah, mix it up. Put in some salt.
You can sprinkle somewhere.
5 spice, right?
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil, wow. Here we have the shrimp one, looks nice. Add in the eggs. Nice with the shrimp. That's a lot of eggs. Nice, some oyster sauce. Nice meat dumplings.
We put some flour on here. You know for what? For put the dumpling.
To avoid the sticky.
Yeah. And how to make?
Wow, we're professional.
That's how
I'm professional for my foreign friends, but if the Mongolian people see me,
Wow, that's nice. What style is
I
this?
want to see the China style now.
Chinese style. There are so many styles. Like this is first one. Okay.
Wow,
Now it's a steak.
wow, it's looking great.
Like this.
It's like perfect.
Make like an empanada.
Nice.
Bone.
Just like this, you can just eat it.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Press more,
Three
press
times.
more.
Okay,
Three
1,
times.
2, 3. Yeah.
That's the easier
Yeah,
bit.
Now we have a first batch here, nice. Ooh, here we have the dumplings boiling. Looking nice. Let's get them out. That looks amazing. Amazing teamwork. Steaming hot dumplings. Nice. Time to check the reward here. That is looking steaming hot. Dip it a bit in the vinegar here. That's some really nice looking dumplings. Have a try. Very nice. Let's have another one. We have a very spicy sausage. That is really nice. Sichuan spice, very nice. Let's have a final bite here.
German bubble with Chinese is the one
Amazing day making dumplings here in Beijing. Yeah, see you very soon.